How to check in at a self kiosk for American Airlines. So at the airport, as you can see over here, we have an image of it. We can go ahead to the kiosk itself and you can use one of these options to find your trip. Either you scan your mobile paper or boarding pass. You could also go ahead and enter your 6-character confirmation code, or you could enter your A advantage number. So you can use these cards here in the bottom to scan yourself. But other than that, once you've done that, then you can go ahead and confirm the passenger and flight details. So when your trip does appear, check that it is your name, destination, and flight time are correct. So you can print and attach bag tags if you are going for the checking bags. You can print the bag tag, attach it to your luggage if you'd like, but that's pretty much it. After getting your boarding pass and dropping the bags, you can proceed to TSA or security and then just go to your gate. But hopefully this video can help you. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.